How to download American Truck Simulator on your PC or laptop. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you enjoy or download the game American Truck Driver Simulator on your PC or laptop. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you'll have to open any browser on your system. So I have opened the Chrome browser, and after that in the search field you'll have to type for Steam and hit the enter button. Okay, so from here you'll have to visit the Steam official website. So it will be like store.steampower.com. So you have to visit that website. And now from here in the search field of this Steam account, you'll have to search that game. So it will be like American Truck Simulator. So here it is. So simply click on it. And now from here you can see the American Truck Simulator game. So from here scroll down, and as you can also download the American Truck Simulator demo. So you can as usual download this game by clicking on the download option, and after you confirm that game, now you have to buy the game by clicking on this add to cart option. So you have to add this game on cart, and now from here you'll have to go with the options continue shopping. Alright, so after there you have to log into your Steam account and follow up the credential to buy this game on your PC or laptop. So from there you can enjoy this game. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.